Good morning and good day, everybody. My name is Christina. If you're new to my channel, I'm just gonna vlog today, honestly. So, on my Instagram and here on YouTube, I'm just going to be doing a 7-day countdown to Christmas. So if you do not follow me on Instagram yet, go do that. I will put my username somewhere in the bottom of the screen, and I think I have a few fun things planned today, so I'm just gonna keep you guys along with me. And yeah, who else is excited for Christmas? Christmas is my favorite holiday, or holiday season. If you don't celebrate Christmas, what do you celebrate? And do you have a favorite Christmas tradition? Let me know. Comment that down in the comments. So yeah, let's get today started. Okay, so I'm about to go make some candles. I think just one candle. I'm so excited. I've never done it before. It's something that I've always wanted to do. So someone dropped off stuff at my house. For some reason, like, it was in a weird place. Someone else found it, and like brought it up here. So I'm going to go do that. Wish me luck. I am so excited. What is their favorite candle scent? Because personally, one of my favorites is Frosted Cranberry from Bath and Body Works. Hands down, probably one of the best scents. So I'm waiting for this to set up. I'm so excited. I also just made some bread for you guys, and it should be up by now. By the time you see this video, I should have the bread recipe up. So if you haven't seen that, after this video, go find it. I promise you, you will not regret it. It's so good. Literally, make some grilled cheese with that. Everybody will love you. So, yeah, it's kind of just been a very chill day. Okay, so I'm coming in here a few hours later, and I'm so excited. Look at them. Look at the candles. I did it, guys. Okay, so I don't know if you can see too good in it. There are like a few little like holes, blemishes, whatever on the top, but like the outside seems to be totally fine. And they smell so good. They smell like gingerbread. And I put like little stickers on the outside of this one. And I don't know, to me it's just like, it seems really fun and like festive and happy. And it looks like a little party on the outside. It looks like a little party on the outside. And it's 2020, so you know we need a little festivity and party and happiness in this year. But I'm so excited. They're so cute. I'm so happy. I think I want to make 100 of them now. So if you see me turn into a crazy candle lady, you know where it started. You guys witnessed it firsthand, where it all began. Alright, y'all, that's basically going to be the end of this vlog. I'm just going to relax with the rest of the night and watch Gossip Girl. I have 3 more episodes left to the show. I'm on season 6, episode 7, and I'm nervous. A friend of mine got me hooked to the show. I'm like, I don't know, what, 10 years late? I'm not sure. I'm very late to the show, though. But a friend of mine introduced me to it, and I got hooked, and it could have been done a very long time ago, but I didn't want it to end. So, who knows? I might be finishing the show tonight. We will see. I'm very nervous. But if you enjoyed this video And you want to see anything more, I am doing a 7-day countdown to Christmas, both here on YouTube and on my Instagram. And don't forget that if you want to see the bread that I made after this video, go and find the bread recipe, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really delicious cheddar jalapeno bread. So hope you guys have a good night, a good day wherever you are, and happy holidays. See you in the next one.